80 animals.
Crow.
Hello, everyone. It's good to see you. Are you having a good time with 80 animals? That's great to hear. This class we'll learn about crows. Look at the picture. This is a crow. It is black. Let's look at more pictures to learn some words.
Thirsty. If you feel like drinking, you are thirsty. In the picture, the boy is thirsty from hiking. He drinks water to relieve his thirst. Pebble. A pebble is a small round stone. It is found on beaches and at the bottom of rivers. In the picture, the boy skips a pebble on the water. Some more pebbles are near the boy. Crack. When you crack a nut, you break its shell in order to get the inside part. In the picture, the boy cracks a nut's shell with the knife. He wants to get the nut out of the shell.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Thirsty. Crack. Pebble.
It's time to read a story. When you finish, you will take a quiz.
Do you know what the smartest bird is? It is the crow. The color of a crow is black. There is a story about a smart crow in Aesop's fables. In the story, a thirsty crow fills half a water pitcher by dropping pebbles into the pitcher. Then it drinks the water. This is a true story. A crow put a walnut on the street. It waited until a car passed over the walnut to crack it. Then the crow ate the walnut. How clever a crow is! What color is a crow? Black. White. What did the crow in Aesop fables use to drink water? Pebbles. Walnuts. How did the crow from a true story crack the walnut? It put the walnut on the street so a car would crack it. It used pebbles to crack the walnut.
Did you enjoy this lesson? Great! I did too. That's all for today. Goodbye.